Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Sport SVR, finishing the very stylish Santorini Black. Puts out an impressive 566 brake horsepower, giving a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.4 seconds. Sitting on those stunning 21-inch alloys with the contrasting red brake calipers. You've also got the rear privacy glass, enhancing the exterior styling, and a very practical amount of boot space. No trouble fitting luggage, shopping or bags in. Moving to the interior, you have got the ebony leather finish, very comfortable to be in, plenty of leg room in the back there as well. You've got the Meridian sound system, sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle, and a very well presented dashboard, I'm sure you'll agree. This vehicle does come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof, adding a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle, and you've got the performance front seats there as well, gripping you very nicely. Got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your rear camera, working hand with your front and rear parking aid, ensuring full confidence, and a huge range of other features accessible with a simple touch. This does also include your ambient interior lighting, truly adding a personal touch to the interior. Moving down, you have got another touchscreen display. On here you've got your heated front seats, as well as having the rear heated seats as well, adding the comfort for the front and rear passengers. And for more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000.